Hello my friends, today we're talking about how to create videos outdoor using Steadicam. This is fantastic piece of equipment which will help you to create video like a pro using your smartphone and this simple piece of equipment. Yes, you can sometimes use your selfie stick. You definitely need to put attention on other equipment which you need to have for your outdoor videography, and let's talk about this right now. And before that, my name is Voyevoda. I'm business and brand creator, and I help women entrepreneurs to brand their brilliance fantastically, authentically, so that they can have a business of their dreams and really understand how to brand themselves with video online so that they can be visible powerfully, fearlessly. That's what I do for women entrepreneurs. And if you are one of them or you know one, let them know. And if you want to know a lot more about how to brand yourself with video, please subscribe to this channel and hit notification button because we release at least one video every week. So what equipment do you need for your outdoor shooting? So first of all, apart of the equipment, you really need to have an idea, and I would recommend you to write it down somewhere. So that will be the headline and some bullet points, so you really know what you are talking about. Then you will decide on gear, because when we talk about the gear, we really are related to our story. So for example, if you need some interest in shooting, you may need to have a Steadicam, but for standard shooting you may need to have just a selfie stick, and this is good enough. So that depends on your idea. What gear do you use? If you want to capture yourself drinking coffee somewhere in cafe, so you just can't put the tripod, then you may need a little tripod or a selfie stick which has a tripod feature. So it's not that difficult because you will not move, and that really doesn't allow that level of stabilization. So you can even put the phone on a table and move on with that. But outdoor shooting definitely requires little tricky techniques which I'm going to talk about right now. You want to photograph the landscape when you are walking, when you want to just put something which is moving really smoothly, then Steadicam is powerful. But if you want to photograph something as time-lapse, you really need to have the Steadicam which allow you to use the time lapses and has the space to basically connect it. Shooting outdoor can be tricky for one simple reason. When you do it on your own, it's absolutely different story than if somebody actually shooting it for you, because you really need to put attention on several places. Like when you walk, you have to put your attention where you're actually walking. You also have to put attention on composition. You also have to put attention how you actually shoot it, and you also have to make sure that you will not hit somebody when you're walking and talking. So it's a little bit complicated. So if you are just a beginner, I would recommend you to start from the places where you don't need to walk, so you can sit down and photograph something. When you shoot outdoor, you need to be sure that your headset really capturing all the sounds. So what you have to buy is the headset which reduces the outdoor sound. So if you create videos, or specifically live videos, on streets, or you will create it in places with a huge amount of noises, the problem is that you may not be heard, or people will not hear you properly. So that is the reason for them to switch off your video. So therefore, invest in good headset so that you will be able to provide your viewers with a good sound. And also think about that when you create your videos, the noise, background noise, not supposed to be too high. So let's quickly recap. What do we need for outdoor photography? The Steadicam, super powerful and useful piece of equipment which you can use for many occasions for your outdoor shooting. The selfie stick which you can use because on many occasions as well, and it's really cheap because it will cost about $10–15, and Steadicam is much more expensive. It's approximately $150 to $200. You really need to have the good headset which will allow you to capture the good sound, and maybe you will need to have the external microphone. So all this equipment will help you to create powerful videos, and I would recommend you to use the phone which have the same megapixels on the front and back camera. So that's it for you for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please like our channel, share it with somebody who needs it today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.